Here's a structure that I'm going to relate to the Bible in different ways. So in the Bible, in Genesis 1, God makes the world in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days and rests one, like the one in the middle. Okay, that'd be like the Sabbath. Let's relate it to other parts of Genesis. Okay, so we've got circles. Can a circle be related to other parts of the Genesis narrative? Genesis chapter 1 verse 3, and God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. Mathematically, it's related to orthogonal sine and cosine waves. Okay, related to Maxwell's equations. You can go and check, use some AI or something to check that. Okay, and sines and cosines relate to the circle, like this: cosine, sine. Okay, they relate to the circle. And remember, we've got 7 circles here. Moreover, when it says in Genesis 14, going into like 16, and actually to 18, it's the 4th day, God creates the sun and the moon, and their motion can be described using circular functions of sines and cosines. And in my paper, I relate the unit circle to biblical laws related to the Sabbath and debt. And obviously the Sabbath is related to the number 7, and so is debt in the Bible. I'll show you how. In the Sabbath commandment, you can work 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days and rest 1. And in Deuteronomy 15, verse 1 and 2, it talks about lending and borrowing happening over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 years, and then stopping and starting again. Okay. So I've just shown you different ways that, in a sense, biblical scripture is related to the structure of a circle and circle packings. Moreover, that if you look at 3 dimensions, the nature of our time structures are also related to these geometries, because there's a 12-month year. But if you look at a month being 28 days, i.e. 4 lots of 7, there are 13 of those. And that's related to a sphere packing, because you get 12 spheres around a central 13th sphere. Yeah.